Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Dark Desire has been one of the maximum trending and watched indicates of 2020 on an international basis. The collection has been a darkish myth and is trending around the sector as one of the maximum famous non-English indicates on English. In this article, we can communicate approximately the display's renewal status and while Dark Desire Season 2 will premiere. The large recognition of the display made it quite apparent to the fanatics that the makers of the display will give you any other season quickly. The display made its debut on July 15th of 2020 and created by way of means of Leticia Lopes Magali. The TV collection is produced by way of means of Argos Communication, in which the tale is written by way of means of Nayura Aragon, Genesis Perez and Leticia Lopes Magali. After a month of the display's premiere, Netflix formally nodded to the renewal of the collection for Season 2. For everyone that already noticed the collection, it got here as no wonder, as fanatics everywhere have suspected Season 2 to pop out eventually. As consistent with the reliable sources, the information approximately the renewal of this Spanish mystery got here on August 19th of 2020. Being the sixth maximum watched display on Netflix and due to its great recognition, the display was given an inexperienced sign very quickly and did now no longer face any struggles popping out with the second season. As a long way as the launch date is concerned, no precise date has been introduced yet. However, fanatics can count on looking at the next season every time in 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Dark Desire, additionally called Oscuro Deseo in Spanish, is a TV collection that could be a complete dose of darkish secrets and techniques and mysteries mendacity around. The surprising and sudden twists and turns within the display are matters that maintain the target market engaged at some stage in display. The collection additionally portrays an exceptional deal of eroticism and series and is enticing and gripping until the very end. The display revolves around the lifestyles of a professor and legal professional named Alma, who is going via divorce and takes a place to have a fling with a 23-year antique man at some point of a quick break. On her return, she unearths out that a fling seems to be certainly considered one among her students, and destiny had a few different plans for her. Many drama and mysteries take place at the display, which revolves around Alma, her husband, and different participants of her internal circle. The largest query which wishes to be responded with inside the second season of the display is that who killed Brenda, or did she simply delegate suicide? The different questions which fanatics have on their minds revolve around Dario surviving the manufacturing facility, Hearth Place, and saying his love openly and freely. Well, these kinds of solutions will maximum probably receive with inside the second season, which possibly hit the displays a subsequent year. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with the friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.